Hello guys, happy new year to everyone. Welcome to Happy Kitchen. Yes, I'm going to teach you today how I make my Nigeria stew. As you can see my onion, my groundnut oil already. There's my 10 tomatoes. Eureka. I have my tomatoes, my pepper, my crayfish, my onion too, ground onion. You can see it's already steamed. It's my pots. Look like this. Guys, stay to the end of this video and also subscribe to my song, my gospel artist. My name is Sapiatuan. Just drop a wonderful song, guys. Yeah, Sapiatuan, take over. And go and support the ministry of God. God bless you as you do that. Make my Nigeria stew. If you don't understand, you can also drop your message at the comment section. You can also bring your opinion too. You can share your opinion with me at the comment section too. I'll get back to you. Make sure you do subscribe to this wonderful video. I'll make a Nigeria stew. Subscription is free, guys. Now guys, I'm going to add my tomatoes, my stewed tomatoes, onion, pepper, my fresh pepper, and my crayfish. You can see this is already stewed. Way to make Nigeria stew, guys. My recipe is very special. Very special recipe, guys. Is very spicy. It's spicy already. I don't have to have too much maggi to it. Too much soup. Not very, just a bit spicy. Because I make my meat boil my meat yesterday. That's why my meat maker is like this, guys. After doing it, I just close it and put it in my fridge. Okay, it's fine now. Going to add a little salt to it. That's my meat water. I do your salt on it, just little one. That's my salt. Add a little soak it. It's my curry powder. Curry powder, stew is okay. Stew, guys. Very simple and easy. If you know you love this video I just did, please drop your comments in the comment section. Subscribe to this wonderful video. God bless you as you do, guys. This is my cow skin. As I say at my video I made yesterday, you don't have to fry everything. Like this, my chicken now is roast chicken. After cooking it, I roast it with my oven. Yeah, as you can see, I roast it with my oven. Not every time we fry our chicken, our meat. Too much of oil is not good for the body, guys. This is my roasting chicken. As you can see. As you can see, it looks like a fried chicken. To make Nigeria stew is very easy, guys. Not that difficult. Okay. I'm making brown stew. It's brown stew, guys. See? Okay. Look at the aroma is not coming out now. Very nice aroma. Very nice aroma, guys. no small water, please. This is my brown stew. Very delicious, guys. You can try something like this. Very simple and easy. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. As you can see, to be a woman is not a day job. It's not a day job. Those men that has what can woman bring to table. Woman bring a lot of things to table, guys. To be a woman is not a day job. We women we do many house chores. Taking care of children, care of the home, cleaning, cooking, as you can see, taking care of the house, as you can see. Women do everything at home. So you guys don't stop, for the men, stop saying what can woman bring to the table. Woman can bring a lot of things to the table. Yes, guys. Without woman, you will not have a son or a daughter that can call you father, that can bear your name, as you can see. You men, you have to clap for your women, for your woman, sorry, your wife. You have to clap for your wife, because it's not easy to be a woman. A woman pray for the family. A virtuous woman pray for the family. A virtuous woman take care of home. To see, they make sure that they see that, oh, my home is okay, my home is all right. They pray, they intercede for the family. So guys, women are very, very strong, guys. God bless you as you listen to the word of my advice. God bless you, God bless you, God bless you. Welcome once again to Abiatuan YouTube channel. Welcome. I'm a food vendor. I'm a gospel artist. Let's see. Welcome to my YouTube channel. God bless you. If this is the first time of coming across my video, please do subscribe. So when next I upload, you'll be the first to get my notification. Thank you for your understanding. Thank you for your understanding. God bless all of you guys. I wish you a wonderful, happy new year. God bless all my followers too. See, it's very thick, guys. This stew is very thick. Thank you guys for watching. See you at my next video. Bye bye.